As I'm sure you know, mounted animal heads are so trendy right now. From sheep to bison to pigs, you can find them everywhere. So using pictures I found online, I drew up patterns that I would use to make a wooden deer head, the most popular mounted head of them all. I began with a sheet of 1 by 12 inch pine. I traced the head pattern 3 times and cut it out using a jigsaw. I cut out notches where the antlers and the ears would be placed. I glued the 3 heads together, then added screws to keep them in place. Using a power sander, I evened out all the edges. I wanted to add some dimension to my deer head, so I made a pattern for cheeks and neck. These would eventually be 2 separate pieces.